Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a fun idea for kids party, even adult sip and paint party. So guys, I have this design that I printed online for Easter egg hunt at my church. So I decided to transfer those three design on Canva or a blank Canva. You know, it can be really expensive to buy a pre-drawn Canva off Amazon. So I just bought a blank Canva like you see there, and I transfer those designs on the canvas using graphite paper. I bought my graphite paper off Amazon. Like I said earlier, we will start with this drawing and we will put our graphite paper. We will need a graphite paper, and the graphite paper has like two faces. One is dark black and the other side is light gray. So we want the dark side to be on the canvas like I'm showing. That's the dark side and that's the light gray side. So you want the dark side to be on the canvas. So you put it like you see on the video. You will put your design, your printed design on top of that graphite paper, and you will draw. So before drawing, you need a pencil that is not sharp, but it's nicely it's nice, but it's not that sharp, so you can trace the line of your design. You will also need to make sure that your printed design is centered on your canvas before you start drawing. And when you are sure that everything is centered properly the way you want, you can start drawing. We are done with our first design. Look how beautiful it is, guys, and you can't even tell you did it yourself. So now next we're going to do our next design, and you just follow the same process. We are done with our second design, guys. Look how beautiful it is. It is so beautiful and so cute. And now we're going to tackle our last design, and we're going to use a different graphite paper, guys. If you notice, it just the design I use a different graphite paper. Now if you want to make the same design on multiple canvas, you can use one graphite paper for 4 canvas. That's the max, right? So after that, your graphite paper is just going to be messy. So guys, I'm drawing there. The kid will have so much fun this Sunday painting at the canvas. It's such a good activities for the kids and also for you guys. Look at those three designs together. It took me less than 10 minutes to draw on the canvas. I didn't draw on the canvas, but I did draw on the canvas at the same time. It took me less than 10 minutes to do that. The kids are going to be so happy this Sunday. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.